Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I have another project that I wanted to share with you guys. I know I've showed y'all these little photo books or folios in previous videos, but I did want to share this one. I thought it came out so pretty. It's just like the other ones, but this one I'm so happy for because I found this really old paper pack in my stash. This has been in my craft room for years. I don't even remember when I bought it, but I remember when I bought it, but I don't remember the time period. I know it's been years ago that I bought this paper. Well, I've been trying to do different little projects to help me de-stash all of these old 12 by 12 paper pads that I have. And I did a project today, but it didn't even put a dent in this paper pack. I don't even think that I ever used this paper. This paper is so pretty. It's the Once Upon a Time paper stack by Die Cuts with the View. And this page says Happily Ever After. It's kind of like a fairy tale theme paper. Looks like medieval with the dragons. The scroll paper, the knight on the horse, old paper. This looks like something magical. Just really old pad. This is so pretty. This paper will actually be great if you cut it up for maybe like a junk journal. I love to see the junk journals that have like the old newspaper print or old book sheets. It just really, I don't know, something about it. I like it. This is so pretty. And do you see this? I don't even think I ever used this paper pack until today. And it's been in my room for years. This one says, There Lived a Handsome Prince. This one says, Far, Far Away. Just really good. There's the mermaid underwater. Like medieval, scrolly. And this one says, Off on an Adventure with the little knight with his armor. This is really pretty too. And here's another one that starts off with Once Upon a Time. So I'm going to share with y'all the book that I made. And I made this book for my daughter. She is giving this to a friend of hers who moved away. And they keep in touch. And she wanted to gift her an album. So this is what I came up with. My daughter really loved this paper, and this book is so pretty, and it could be embellished. And I was thinking about putting one of those little keyholes right here. I think that would be nice, and maybe distressing it, or it's just really pretty like this. And look at the back. I put the Happily Ever After on the back, and I started off the cover with Once Upon a Time. So when you open it up, I put this pretty paper right here on this first flap, and this picture of the clearing, and then the word print, and then the mermaid, and this is a pocket page right here. I've shared these books with y'all before. And the reason why I have been gravitating back to this particular folio is because it's super fast, and it's really, really easy to make. And I didn't put a magnet or a closure on this side, only because I was going to put one right here. Only because I forgot, and I started matting the designer paper on the book before I laid down magnets, but it stays closed regardless. I was able to put some magnets on the other side, but yeah, this is really, really nice. And she can add photos behind this pocket, or in this pocket, or some journaling tags in this pocket. Love this side with just like the book print. And then when you open it up, the middle has that picture waterfall. So I put this design on the first page, or the first photo mat, because my daughter's friend has a little baby boy, and I thought this would be cute if she wanted to put a picture of her son on this first little flip down, and because it says a handsome prince. So I cut that so that I could do it just like that. It has the little crowns, and then you flip it up and it has the crowns on the other side. And then I just kind of mixed and matched some other pages from the stack. I added some designer paper in between just to kind of separate those. I thought that was an awesome touch. Came out really good. So I'm just going to flip through. Plenty of space for photos. You can even add one here. But this book is exactly the same as the previous ones that I shared with you guys. But I'm just so happy about using this paper. Okay, so I was able to put some magnets to close this closure, and then also this one too. So really pretty. So it stays closed with magnets. And remember, I was telling y'all that I did a haul, and I had ordered these magnets off of Amazon, and they came in this little tin, and I had thought that I had ordered some larger size magnets, and they came out to be these little tiny magnets. I mean, they're strong though. I learned that today. At first I was thinking, oh my God, I was thinking that I had wasted my money because they were so small. I didn't think that they would work through the papers. But they do. They're really strong little magnets. So it was a pleasant surprise. So I'm pretty elated by that. So as you can see, this is, you see how strong they are? This is the size of that tiny little magnet, but they're strong. So I'm really happy about that. So I could definitely use those for my projects. I just didn't think I was going to be able to. Anyways, I will be doing more books like this. I think I will try to change up the design of some of these books, but I've been sticking to this one because I learned how to do it. It was so fast and it was so easy, and it's just really easy to remember the measurements. It's, you know, it's super easy. So, and really easy to like mass produce, or I shouldn't say mass produce, because it does take a little while to do all the cutting and all the matting and everything like that. But this is one of the easiest picture books that I have made, and so I've been kind of sticking to it. You can definitely change up the designs a little bit. So I'm thinking I may change it up a little bit and add a smaller waterfall, maybe to one of the pockets or to one of the sides to give more room for photos. I was also thinking that it might be a good idea if you wanted to have this solely for just pictures, to do a waterfall here, here, and here, and cut out all of the extra flaps and pockets, and then you'll have like a folio that's just a picture book with just the waterfalls for the pictures. So I'm thinking I might do something like that as well to help get rid of some of these papers. And these make really, really, really nice gifts. And if you're interested, I do have some in my Etsy shop. So you can definitely check the description box below and click on the link to take you there. I have a few things over there. Really good price. And you can definitely get these little folios and you can add to them and just make it your own. Embellish them however you want. Add bling, flowers, whatever to the covers. I really wouldn't do too much on the inside because it's supposed to be kind of like a sleek little book, and you want to make sure that it continues to close and stays closed because it's going to expand a little bit once you add photos anyway. But anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed, please click the link below to subscribe to my channel for more content from me. And I am definitely going to see you guys in my next video. Bye.